Question 25. 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication on the right has lots of gaps, but most of them can be filled by logic, not by guesswork. Which digit must go in position star, which is this one just here? So I have started by copying out with the gaps, and I've labelled them with their rows. We know that there can't be a carry. When you add a 1-digit number and a 0, there's no carry onto the 4. So therefore we're adding 8 plus something, which is going to equal 4 or 14 or 24. And actually, if you do 8 plus something equals something that has a 1's digit of 4, the only number is going to be a 14, and this one, therefore this one's going to be a 6. Therefore this digit here is going to be a 6. Therefore the fourth line is going to be 860. Then what we're looking at is that when you multiply this 4t something by this digit here, you get to be this line here, 860. So 40 something multiplied by 40 something multiplied by something is going to be 86. Okay, so those two multiplied is these two. I don't need the 0. I don't need to add the extra 0 here. So we know it's going to be something here. If we put in digits, if I put in numbers here, if I did 1, 40 something multiplied by 1, well, that doesn't work. It's going to be too small. If I put in a 2, well, 2 times 40 something, yeah, we like that one, because we could have 43. If we just check for 3, no, 40 times 3 is going to be more than this. So this is too big. So this digit here, this stroke number, has to be a 2. And in that case, 40 something multiplied by 2 is going to be a 3 here. So we now know that we put a 43 up here and the 2 is going to be here. 43 multiplied by 2 is going to be this 86 here. So we have the first line is 43. And then the second line is going to be 20 something. So it could be 20, it could be 21, it could be 22, all the way up to possibly 29. So it's going to have something with the digit 0 to 9. Now, if we use this information and we think about the fact that we're doing 43 multiplied by 20 something, we're looking now at this here and thinking, okay, so 43, we need to take 43 multiplied by something is going to equal something 8 something. So it needs to be a 3-digit number that's a multiple of 43, and that has an 8 in the center position here. And the way that I worked out this one is I actually went to the lengths of writing out my 43 times table. So 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, all the way down. And in fact, although there is an 8 in the tens digit here, it's not a 3-digit number, so this one doesn't count. So we're actually looking at 387 here. So this one has to be 387, and this one is 9 times 43. Therefore, this one has to be a 9. So this is going to be 387, and this one is going to be a 9. So we're almost there. Now, if we work that out, we add them together. We don't actually need to work out these two at all, because 7 plus 0 is going to be 7. And therefore, the ones digit on row 5 is 7. And therefore the answer is D.